Now, this month was a quite good month for one of our new store because this is one of our new store. We have just started this store a few months back. Now, because this is a new store, so we are just going to increase our sales slowly. And I will share exactly how we did that and how exactly you can do that on your own Shopify store as well. We have just improved our returning customer rate, which was 1.15% back in the month of March, and now we have a returning customer rate of 2.50%. So we have got exactly same sessions what we have got back in the month of March. What we have did in this month was to improve our conversion rate, and how did we do that I will share with you in this video. Back in the month of March, we have got our conversion rate to almost 1.15%, which was quite low if you compare to other Shopify stores. But in this month, we have got conversion rate of 2.50%, which was almost double if we compare it to the month of the March. So we implemented email marketing to let our customer knows if you have bought our product and you like the product, you can buy our new arrivals again. You can buy our custom designs. If they like our product, they will happily buy our products again. So what exactly we did, we offer 10% discount to our existing customers, and once they make a purchase, we send them an email containing 10% discount, and they got the email, they come back to the website and make the purchase again. So that's how our returning customer rate almost double compared to the month of the March. In March, we have got almost returning customer rate of 14.29, and in the month of May, we have got the returning customer rate of 29%. That is almost the double. Now, the interesting point is we have got almost same session we got back in the month of March. Now we have got $6,000 in sales, and in March we have got $4,000 in sales with the same amount of sessions. What we have done, we have improved our website design, put a lot of effort to redesign the website so that our returning customer rate and our conversion rate will be much more better if we are gaining the same amount of sessions compared to the month of March. Second thing we did, we have added custom designs. If a customer already make a purchase to our website and he want to order custom design, so he can come back to our website on our custom design page and he can order custom designs as well. Custom design are used most of the time for gifted products. If a customer wants to give that product to his mom, to his daughter, to his father, so he can use that name to put on the custom products and he can give that product to his loved ones. So if you have a product on which you can offer custom designs, make sure to add custom designs, because most of the people want to give the products to their relatives, to their friends and to their family members by putting their names, by putting their date of birth and any other thing they want to put on the order, so that they can give them on their special occasions like birthday, like Christmas and on any other event. Before we were offering shipping and we were not offering local pickup to our customers, but we have warehouse. At that point, we have added local pickup for our customers who want to local pick up their orders. In that way, our returning customer rate was high, our conversion rate was high, because most of the people want to pay through cash. And if we offer local pickup, they can easily pay through cash and they can come to our warehouse and they can pick up their order easily. If they want the order on the same day, they can come to our warehouse and they can pick up the order. So once you are going to scale your store, make sure to order local pickup from your warehouse as well. If you are doing drop shipping, you cannot offer local pickup, but if you are going to scale your store, you have to get a warehouse in your country so that you can offer local pickup to your customers as well. And once you offer local pickup, your conversion rate will be much more better. Fourth thing we have done is to add a live chat button to our website, because most of the customers come to our website and they don't know what I will get once I ordered that product. So we have added live chat button to our website. Once customer visit our website, they can simply chat with our support team and our support team can help them to make a purchase. They can add custom designs through live chat. They can pay through bank account if they want to pay. If the customer is old age, they don't know most of the time how to pay through card. So our support team help them to pay through card on our live chat as well. In that way, our conversion rate was increased as well. We have added videos of our products on our Shopify store, and we have hired few influencers to make the videos of our products and put them on your page. So in that way, we were also able to increase our sales as well. If we hire influencers for our products, they can make good videos for free products we can simply hire them to make the videos of our products. So we have few influencers to make the videos of our products, and once they have done that, we were able to increase our sales to almost $6,000 this month in the month of May. The last thing we did was to add the review app to our website, because the customers who had already purchased from our store, we have allowed them to leave a review on our website, to leave a review on our Google store, and to leave a review on our Facebook page as well. That way, new customers who are coming to our website, they will be able to see the reviews on the product pages, they will be able to see the reviews on Google, and also they will be able to see the reviews on Facebook pages as well. So if you are going to add 5-star reviews to your product pages and on Google, Google will make sure once customers search your product on Google, your store will come up because your store has 5-star reviews. So any store with 5-star reviews will come on the top of the Google. These were the exact strategies we implemented on our store to increase our conversion rate, to increase our returning customer rate, and to increase our sales. If you are struggling to make sales on your Shopify store, you can click on the link below in description and you can enroll in my Shopify dropshipping course as well. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back with another video soon. Bye bye.